Yes, you are welcome back to this wonderful training. So I believe you must have created your KDP account and Pioneer or Green Co account, which I show you how to do in the previous videos. So if you already have your KDP account, there is no need for you to create another account. Just use the one account that you have. Don't create another account to avoid being banned. And you just create your Pioneer account or Pinko account, anyone you feel like creating, then you should wait for like 5 working days for it to be approved. Make sure you put all the correct details inside. So after doing that, the next step you want to do is create book. How to write, how you can write book. So I will show you everything right now. So the next step you want to do is to create book, but you don't just go ahead and create any book. There are some process, there are some procedure you have to follow in order to create a book that will make sense. You are creating a book for you to sell, not that you want to create it just to upload it on Amazon. If you don't follow the necessary process, you just be publishing books that won't be selling. No matter how much books you publish, you will be frustrated because you won't get any sales unless you follow this procedure I want to show you right now. So before you create your book, you do book research. So how do you do book research? I'm going to show you how you do it. But let me first tell you how book research works. So let me go to I already have something I want to show you. Okay, this is it here. So for you to make book research, you don't just go ahead and create any book because you love it or you like creating books. The number one thing you want to know is, what are people buying? What are people buying? If people are buying, let's say for example, people are buying rice, you don't go ahead and sell beans to them. They might buy beans, but the rate at which they buy beans will be different because they are already interested in rice. So if you make your research and you see that people are buying rice, not exactly rice, I'm just using this as an example. If you make your findings and you see that people are buying rice, so you don't go ahead and create beans for them, you go ahead and make rice for them. So it will be very, very easy for you to convince them to buy your rice, instead of trying to convert them into buying beans. You just, okay, you want to buy rice, this is my own rice, buy it too. So you find out what people are buying. That's the first step you do. Then the next step is to create a book on what you find on your research. You create a book based on what they are buying. If you see they are buying rice, you create a book on rice. And the third step is you use keyword to rank. Keyword to rank. You know, there are many competitors on Amazon. So your keyword will determine whether you'll be on the first page or the second page or the third page of the list. So keyword will show, if you are selling rice, just an example, not actually rice. If you are selling rice to them, you have to be in the front. They will have to see you first so they can buy your rice. If you are at the last page, before they get to your page, maybe if it is 100 people that wanted to buy rice, most of them will buy from the front page. Those people that are selling rice from them first. If you're on the last page, before they get to you, maybe like 3 of them get to your spot. So the sales you make will be very, very low, even if you make one. So keyword, you use keyword to rank. And the persuasion skills, so you have to use some skills. You have to be skilled in persuasion. You don't just put your rice to them that buy my rice. You tell them why you think they should buy your rice. So that's the persuasion skills. That's where it comes in. You tell them why you think they should buy your rice. Is your rice better than those that are selling the others? So you tell them. Then the fifth step is your pricing. Your pricing must not be too high or too low. Should be moderate. Your pricing should be moderate. You don't sell a product of maybe others are selling it for $5 and you are selling it for $10. That's too high. They will think you are charging them an exorbitant fee, so they won't pay. They will prefer to go and buy from the $5. And if your price is too low, maybe others are charging $5 and you are charging $2 or $3, they will think your product is not very okay. That's why you are charging that low. So your pricing to determine how your book will perform on Amazon. So these are the steps you have to follow. You have to find out what people are buying, create a book based on what they are buying, use keyword to rank and persuasion skills. So I'll stop this video very soon. So in the next video I will show you the practical how I do my book research, which you too can do as such. So I will show you everything you need to know about book research, how you can do your book research on Amazon bestseller list. The first step in doing book research is finding out what people are buying. So in the next video, should I even do it now? No, in the next video I will show you what book research, how you can make your book research. So thank you for watching this. See you in the next video.